In this video, I'm going to show you how to invert a selection in Krita quickly and easily, whether you want the fastest keyboard shortcut or the simple menu method. This is a really useful trick for editing, painting, masking, and making precise changes to the exact opposite area of your artwork. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Krita tips and tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The fastest way to invert a selection in Krita is with a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and I at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and I. As soon as you do that, Krita will instantly switch your selection to the opposite area on the canvas. So if you selected a character's face, for example, the rest of the canvas becomes selected instead. This is perfect when you want to protect one area while editing everything around it. Now, if you prefer using the menus, there's also a very easy way to do it manually. First, make your initial selection on the canvas using any selection tool you like. That could be the rectangular selection tool, elliptical selection tool, freehand selection tool, or any other selection tool in Krita. Once your selection is active, go to the top menu bar and click Select. From the drop-down menu, choose Invert Selection, and just like that, your selection will flip to the opposite area. This menu method is helpful if you're still learning Krita, or if you simply prefer clicking through the interface instead of memorizing shortcuts. So to recap, the shortcut is the fastest option, while the select menu gives you a clear step-by-step method. Both do the same thing, and both are very useful once you get used to them. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Krita tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.